the key takeaways are that you learn the different defect types and you learn the different repair types, and then you put those together to learn which are the appropriate repair methods for different types of defects. A lot of times you'll have multiple repair options for a single defect, so it helps you work through the process and determine which one might be preferred for that specific situation. I think the value is that beyond just introducing you to the pipeline repair manual and how to use it, it puts you in a situation where you're working with other people, whether they're within your operating company or within the industry, and it helps you work through real life examples of what different defects might be discovered, how you determine if a repair is even required, and if one is required, what might be your repair options and your preferred repair method that you select.
The PRCI Practical Pipeline Repair Training course has been really advantageous, and the content and the layout of the course itself has really defined how the manual is broken up into all the repair methods, along with a table on the advantages and disadvantages of each repair method. Therefore, you have a general idea as to which repair method you should select depending on the case that you have, and really laying it out in a table that can be digested in a short period of time. I really liked the ability to go take a look visually at samples for the different types of defects or anomalies you might see, and then relating that to the textbook content on how that defect or anomaly could be repaired. I would highly recommend the PRCI Practical Pipeline Repair Training.